Lakewood 85 here. It's a beautiful day in Nuevo, California. The mountain that you see in the background is San Jacinto, out by Palm Springs. There's my bean cherry tree. That mountain that you see off in the distance is Mount San Gorgonio. And there's my Haas avocado tree. I'm about to embark on the world of backyard beekeeping. My uncle was a beekeeper. His uncle was a beekeeper. His great uncle was a beekeeper. My uncle's father was a beekeeper. And I'm going to attempt to continue that lineage. So now I'm going to choose a suitable place here in what I call my outback, which is the back portion of the half acre that I have here in Nuevo. And I'm going to select a spot for my beehive. This is the spot that I have picked for my beehive. Got to clean the area up and going to move these plants out of the way. There goes Rover Dog. No, I didn't name him that. That's the name he came with. This spot has plenty of shade in the backyard because the summers do get hot here in Nuevo. So I'm going to clean this up and get the hive set up. So this is the beehive kit that I bought. It comes complete. I'm going to set it on blocks here in a few minutes. And tomorrow I'm going to add bees. Now I've got the hive just the way I want it. So it's got a slope downward to the front. So that way when it rains, water will drain off the landing and not back into the hive. So to give the bees a little extra incentive to stay in the hive, I soaked a coffee filter with a few drops of lemongrass oil, and I'm going to put that down in the hive. I'm hoping that that they like this stuff. So we'll see. Tomorrow's bee day. So there's the coffee filter in the back left corner of the hive has the lemongrass oil. And I'm going to put the other two frames back in. So here's the hive. It's all set up. And tomorrow's bee day. 12,000 new bees and a mated queen getting ready to go into the hive on bee day. It's bee day here in Nuevo, and got Miss Penny suited up in my suit because I got too fat during the stay-at-home corona crisis issue, so now I gotta buy a bigger bee suit. So Penny's gonna have to do the installation of the bees into the hive today. So that's what's gonna happen now. Here we go. So now we've got 4 frames out of the hive like we're supposed to. We're gonna take this and we're gonna get these bees ready to install. Here we go. Go, you don't have to be scared. Right, lift it up.
Lift it up and tip it over?
Open it up and pour them in. Pour them in. Put it down. Open it up and pour them in.
I am. Like that?
Yeah, try not to bang them too hard. Here.
John, help me.
Here, get back here and knock them down. All right, now let me get the queen out. Come over here. Set that down in front of the hive. Just set it on the hive. Flip it up so we can get the queen out. We gotta put the... No, set the other way. Set it up the other way. Right there. No. Up, yeah, right there. Set it right there.
Okay.
Okay, here. So the bees have been installed in the hive, and the queen is in there. They're figuring out how to get in. Hopefully they'll settle down pretty soon. Go in and find her. They got nice lemongrass smell in there, thanks to Miss Penny. So we'll see how this works out. Wish us luck. Well, as you can see, the bees have definitely calmed down. The majority of them, amazingly, found their way inside the hive. That's a good thing. And they seem to be going in and out. You know, there's a few dead ones on the ground. But I think all in all, for the swarming and everything else for our first installation, I guess this kind of went well.